Hello everyone, today we're going to talk about the health benefits of gluten-free roti. Gluten is a protein found in wheat, barley, and other grains. And for many people, consuming gluten can lead to various health issues, like gluten intolerance or even celiac disease. That's why many people switch to a gluten-free diet to improve their health and well-being. Now, let's talk about the health benefits of gluten-free roti. Unlike traditional wheat-based breads, gluten-free flour are made from rice, corn, potato, or other gluten-free grains. These grains are broken down into smaller pieces during the fermentation process, which makes the dough more tender and easier to digest. Also, the fermentation process in gluten-free rations produces fewer carbs and more healthy bacteria, which can help improve gut health. Gut health is directly linked to overall health, as our gut acts as our second brain, processing and absorbing the nutrients we consume. By maintaining a healthy gut, we can improve our immune system, reduce inflammation, and boost energy levels. Additionally, research has shown that gluten-free flour can help manage diabetes and weight loss. In conclusion, consuming gluten-free roti can provide numerous health benefits for your body. Not only does it make the bread more tender and digestible, but it also helps improve gut health and overall well-being. So, the next time you're looking for a healthier option for your morning toast or snack, consider giving gluten-free roti a try.